I need to figure out this ketchup this way. 83, 83, W3. If you done that now, just no. If you just log it now, just play you want any. My recommend is WildKit. WildKit is the best server in the world wide world. I'm using T launcher or Pojab launcher. Oh, I died. This is my kill. I'm the top one Philippines. The top kill. Yeah, this is my name. Muhammad Pugi. This is my kill. And I'm the richest boy in the world. Look at this. Look at that. This is my collection. And this is my collection too. This is my collection. This is my collection. This is my collection. Now we can. Woo! Oh no! No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I died. It's okay. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment or subscribe. Just for free. Please lagay ko. Thank you guys for doing this guys. Thank you very much for it. Bye!